Hey everyone, coming at you with a bit of an update and a little bit of car work tonight. I know I've been uploading it recently, but my car has been in the shop to get its big turbo put on, as you guys would know, and now it's getting put on. It should be done this week actually, so I'll have tons of videos coming for that and everything else. But today we are just working on my girlfriend's van. We're changing the brakes. She has shitty brakes on it, and we're here with a Brendo ST and everything, so we'll get a fun little video today, hopefully, and then my car will be done this week, so lots of videos. And as you can see here, her brakes are super shit. The pads are really bad. The rotors need to be swapped. So we're getting this all going. We got new, just basic stuff as a van. Brendo ST over there.
Hey guys!
And Edgar.
I get like mod your...
He's doing oil change on his car. And he just washed it up, so it's nice and clean.
What's this thing called?
My stroller?
Stroller, yeah, I get like mod it.
I'm gonna mod my stroller, yeah, I'm gonna lower it. But alright, let's get through these brakes. We'll do a little step by step, I guess, with the brakes. Brakes are pretty much self-explanatory. It's like fucking 2 bolts, and that's really it. But alright, let's get going on this, guys. So first, we gotta take off these back bolts, which Brendan just determined is a 13.
I honestly, I've never done brakes before in my life, so
It's gonna be. Neither have
we're
I.
just figuring this.
I've watched people do them. I watched you
That's
do
why-
yours.
No, well, guy, and I've never done my own brakes.
You're like, oh, we're gonna do brakes. I'm like, oh, cool, Leon's gonna be there.
Yeah, we're not
Leah's gonna be there to do brakes. We're not doing brakes. Exactly.
I was like,
It's a pain in the ass. Look at that. He can't even get that shit
Am I
off.
going the right way?
You might be going the wrong way.
no, it's like opposite or something when it's on the back end.
Wait, what?
Actually. I think so. Oh my god, bring out a YouTube video.
You're right.
It is opposite. Look at
Yeah,
that.
it's opposite
Look
way.
at
See?
useful.
Useful. I was like,
Jeez,
it's
that's weird. You
opposite
ever do your
way.
own brakes?
No, I don't do my
We did do your own brakes, the
Leon
orange
did my
ones.
brakes.
No, wait. I need that bolt.
No, I do. No, my friend Justin
What's this
did my
bolt
front
to?
brakes.
I don't know.
That's the caliper bolt.
No, it's my slider pins.
Oh,
I
shit.
think.
Oh shit. I don't know how to do this. We're about to be all fucked up. Oh, huh. It's definitely the
Oh, wait.
caliper bolt.
Yeah, see? We're there.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
Look
just,
at that. How-
there you go. Just pad slap that shit.
Yeah, I guess we're good.
Right?
We're done.
The top bolt is all you need, I guess.
Oh no, well you gotta take out the you gotta do rotors too, right? So you gotta-
Yeah, but take it off and do the rotors.
Fuck!
The rotors are just on the front. That's
Oh,
fine.
we just doing pad slap. What you
I got the right pads too, the heavy duty
Tim,
pads.
it didn't come with hardware.
Oh.
Damn, Tim.
What shitty ass brakes didn't come with hardware?
I don't know. We gotta press these calipers and
Yeah, you gotta put
Oh
some in.
god, this is gonna be fun.
calipers.
We'll get back to you once we start getting progress. It's copyright. Stop it. The caliper off.
No, we didn't.
Old brakes, which apparently are not that horrible, but the new ones are much nicer. And he's putting a new thing in there. He's inserting it gently. I'm gonna put these new things on. Oh, look at that. Oh, shit. Edgar back with my tool to get that fucking rotor off.
Get in your hole.
Get the rotor off. Get in your home with the new pads. Here he comes. Let's get him on camera right away. Oh, shit. Here he is. We got the caliper off. Are you ready for this? Custom platinum brakes. Race car brakes. Oh damn, look at those new calipers. Not really though. I should have got new calipers. You know.
I don't know how to do this, so
What is that?
it's the thing to push in the fucking
Oh damn, we got the tool. Let's get this going. Getting those pads out. Oh, look all the rust came out with it.
All right, this one's
That one's really bad.
that one's bad.
We'll get to you when we start taking this rotor off, guys. So this is our current progress with this.
Oh, yep.
Sledgehammer. There we go.
There we go.
There we go. We're doing this about 10 minutes with the regular hammer as soon as I found a sledge. So I think we got it.
There we go.
There it is.
Holy shit!
And there's the new one, all nice and painted. Yeah, the other thing is
That was
what
gonna
the hell?
sucks.
It was rusted as fuck.
Dude, that's fucking garbage.
Yo, shitty ass thing. Got that new one though. Get that on there.
Okay,
Now here's the
now
nice
you
new
gotta push the
brakes. I just sprayed them
caliper.
with brake cleaner. Now we gotta figure out how to push these calipers in so we can put the new thing on. or, no, the pads are on. Looks much nicer. This old shitty one. It's beat to fuck.
Rubber calipers on my
Now we got this piston compressor.
The
It's
one I
compressing the
got.
pistons in.
Compressing the piss out of it.
Let's compressing the pistons. Now we can put it onto this caliper and make it all nice. Oh yeah. Oh, get up in there.
Compressing enough?
Yeah.
No.
They're not compressed enough?
Fuck. Compress it in all the way.
God damn it.
Go all the way.
Yes, you do.
Ah, fuck. You do it again for both
I
sides.
told
Oh,
You didn't tell me
damn.
shit.
You're over there going ham on it. I'm like, all right, maybe he knows what he's doing. I'm like,
He's not doing it the right way though.
I mean, I guess.
Technically, I was doing it the right way.
Oh yeah, you just didn't.
Yeah, you just didn't do it far enough
Yeah,
in.
I'm like, why'd you stop? You gotta keep going.
Ah, give me that wrench.
I gave you the wrenches right here.
The ranch.
I'm gonna
Ranch.
put down my
Give me
alcohols.
some ranch.
I get you some ranch. There you go. There's the ranch to get this piston compressor. And once the piston's compressed in, we put the piston caliper part back on and put the 2 screws in, and we're done on one side. All right, guys. Now we're doing the rears. Basically the same thing, except it's only one piston. Still the same screws that come off. Oh, there you go. And there's only one piston compressed this time. These were much shittier apparently than the front. I didn't know that, so we did get rotors for the back as well. We weren't going to do them, but now we're doing them. So it's not that much longer of a process. This whole side's going to be done, and it's a pretty simple job. You guys can do it yourself. Don't pay the $500 plus at the dealership to pay for brakes. I think we're like, I want to say $250 into pads, rotors for front and back. And since AutoZone only had these ones, these are the better ones for the rear. And it was like 8:30 when we went to go get them, so like they closed in half an hour, and it wasn't gonna take the van down and then bring it up another day because not having a lift sucks. So yeah, we'll get the little bit step by step on this one too, but it's pretty much the same process as the front. We got the top of the caliper, the piston off.
You're recording me, Jesus.
And look
Christ.
at how sharp these pads were. Lovely. Well, the other bolts coming off now that are back there.
See
Other
this?
part of the caliper off. See
This
this
is-
breaker bar? When the shit's fucking rusted? Yeah.
Makes your life so much easier.
It does make your life easier. Look at that now. Breaker bar power. Alright, so we got the rotor off. Basically just take it off, take a sledgehammer to the back of it. Just hammer it off on these ones because if it gets a little rusted, it'll get stuck. There's no screws.
Oh, do you know what?
This one on. It's the old crappy one. We got this nice new. There we go. Nice new black gold series one. And these old horrible pads compared to the new ones. With that and then. Yeah, those were horrible. This probably should even stop the car. Here he is inserting the new brakes into the caliper.
Don't look at me. I'm hideous.
They're being inserted.
I'm doing it wrong.
Stop inserting it wrong. Insert it the right way.
I'm breaking them.
Don't break it because they're new. You break the old ones.
I'm definitely doing this wrong. I don't even care.
You don't care.
It's not my car.
It's not very nice. I have a child. As you can see, we've got the new rotor on. It's all black and cool. Now we're just reattaching the bolts back here. Oops, I tightened that too much. Just tightened up there. And I wrote I got a bracket I gotta go with it.
I don't even know what that bracket tube is there.
So you're gonna be replacing.
It was there. It's going back on. I don't know what's true, but nothing.
It doesn't matter, but you know, whatever. And she's got new calipers too. They're not shitty colors, but whatever.
It's a minivan that you don't even see the calipers on.
You do see him, he's got wheels, whatever. Still a minivan. I know exactly, minivan, it's good, it transports the kid. Got good brakes now, much nicer.
It's like you stop the car.
Yeah, it's the back. The back's fairly simple there in the front. Well, actually not really, it's the same thing, it's just the front on the other side was stuck. So hopefully this front won't be as bad. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Just keep in tune for the updates. The BMW will be done this week. I'm taking my manifold ended up being warped that I had originally, so they replaced it, and I'm taking the new one up there tomorrow actually. And so get everything all assembled. Everything else is in the clutch, the rear end, everything like that. So give me a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys next time.